In today's digital age, where every opinion is shared freely online, even the most beloved stars aren't immune to the barrage of negativity. Aamir Khan, one of Bollywood's most respected and successful actors, has frequently found himself at the receiving end of online trolls. Yet, despite the noise and harsh criticism, Aamir remains composed, sharing his thoughts on how he deals with trolling and the real impact it has on his work. Aamir Khan acknowledges that online trolling can be disheartening, especially after investing months, sometimes even years, of hard work into a project. It does feel bad, he admits. You put in so much effort, and then someone who hasn't even seen the film or understands the context decides to say something purely negative. That's what trolling really is. It's not feedback, it's not criticism. It's just negativity for the sake of it. For Aamir, the difference between criticism and trolling is clear. While criticism offers constructive feedback, trolling is merely an act of spreading negativity, often driven by bias or personal agendas. There's a reason we call them trolls, he explains. We don't call them angels. Trolls feed off negativity. They don't engage with the work, they just react based on bias or agenda. Despite the constant buzz of online criticism, Aamir refuses to let it affect him. If people want to get involved in what trolls are saying, that's their choice, he says calmly. But I don't let it get to me. His focus is on staying true to his work and not being swayed by online vitriol. Aamir is firm in his belief that online trolling has no genuine impact on a film's success. Despite the noise around trolling, it has no real impact on a film's fate, he says with conviction. It doesn't affect the box office. Not at all. If a film is good, no one in the world can stop it from succeeding. And if it's not good, no one can make it a hit either. Reflecting on the intense backlash his film Lal Singh Chaddha received online, Aamir points out that the true reason for a film's success or failure lies in its content. People say it didn't work because of the trolling. That's not true, he asserts. If Three Idiots had released in the same atmosphere of negativity, do you think it would have failed? No chance. That film worked because it was made well. Same with Dangal. Even if that had been trolled, it still would have been a super hit. Because content is king. What truly bothers Aamir, however, isn't the trolling itself, it's when a film fails to connect with its audience. In my view, Lal Singh Chaddha didn't fail because of online noise, it simply didn't connect with the audience. The film couldn't touch the hearts of people. That's on us. Aamir finds true value in honest, heartfelt reactions from the audience, not the noise of trolls. What bothers me isn't the trolling, it's when the real audience doesn't respond the way I hoped, he says with sincerity. That's who I'm listening to. I want to hear from people who actually engage with the work, who say, I liked it or I didn't like it, but from their heart. That's meaningful. That helps me grow as an artist. Aamir Khan's perspective offers a refreshing take on the challenges of modern-day fame. While trolling may be an inevitable part of the digital landscape, he reminds us that the most valuable feedback comes from genuine connections with audiences, not the noise of online critics. For Aamir, it's not the trolls that matter, it's the heart of the audience that counts.